day. We're here gonna do another, I guess it's a challenge.
You know, just another.
Just
a test out.
Just a
challenge.
test. How about test challenge? Where we're gonna take this, which is a we're gonna perk up this droopy skin of mine and make this face even more perkier than it already is. I mean, she might look like she had Botox.
Hey!
Like
People
that.
would kill for this kind of skin.
She's gonna look 40, but in reality,
Really, Luna?
she's gonna be like 9-fold when she reaches that age. So I got the tiger. Well, she bought these. I got the tiger, and she's got the raccoon. That's a raccoon, right?
I think it's a raccoon.
I think it's a raccoon too.
Wait, I thought it was a penguin. I guess it is a raccoon.
Yes, that is a
Well,
raccoon.
I don't know what animal.
Apparently she thought this was a penguin.
I guess it'll be a raccoon.
So, we're gonna, oh, this is made in Korea. Let's see how.
Yeah, these are Korean products. So you normally can find these at Ulta for like $8-10 a box, but these I got at TJ Maxx for $4.99 plus tax.
$4.99.
They have like a Korean section, a Korean cosmetic section, so it's pretty cool. You can get stuff over there at TJ Maxx.
Check it. Oh, there's 3 in here.
Yep.
Oh,
So it's 3 per box.
there's 3 in here, so you're technically paying like $1 something per mask.
That's right.
That's cool. That's cheap. Let's see how anti-aging this makes my face, and how rejuvenating.
I feel, yep.
Yes.
Alright, you guys, we'll be back.
We'll be back. Ta-da! I like how it comes with eyelid.
So when you're resting, here, babe, let me show that. Close your eyes. Oops. You know? Well, you're supposed to be laying down. Oh, sorry. There you go. Yes. Yes.
So you know.
King likes it too, don't you? Don't you?
To get maximum coverage, use the eyelid.
This kind of feels weird. Oh, I'm sorry. Do you? Oh, sorry. Sorry. I hit that on.
This really has like a really tingling sensation.
Babe, how come it doesn't cover your nose?
I could push it up, but my nose is in the way. That's the limit. I'm limited to this.
Is my nose covered?
Yeah, all of it's covered because you got the short one. I didn't know it was purple.
I didn't know either. I thought it was gonna be a penguin.
Don't forget your little
Ow!
right
It's
there.
supposed to give me a warning. Ow!
Yeah, you gotta get those them craters right here.
Yeah, I gotta get the craters.
Cause I got a big one too.
I'm trying to work on these fine lines.
I feel like my skin is burning. I'm guessing it's working its magic by lifting, burning all the first layer of the dermis / epidermis /
Oh,
whatever
well, mine feels great.
/ whatever dermis. Is that the first layer? I
Yeah,
forget.
it's your epidermis.
Yeah, I figured. I feel like it's killing all of the above. It's like it's doing work. Like, go ahead, Korea, but go ahead.
It's just his first time doing like a sheet mask and stuff, or like any mask. So, well, no, we did that bubble one.
Yeah, I did
So,
we did this carbonated bubble
Charcoal mask.
thing.
So we just gotta wait like 10 to 15 minutes, and we will see you guys later.
Yeah. If we don't come back, it's because my face came off when we went to the hospital.
No, we're not going to any more hospitals today.
Yes. Babe, have you ever seen a raccoon and a tiger kiss?
Mm-hmm.
No, they kiss with their nose. Can't laugh. Right? We are.
Excuse me.
We are back. It's been like 10 to 20 minutes total for both of us. Now we're about to reveal all the beautiness, all of the sex appeal.
None whatsoever.
I'm gonna bring out my outer tire, y'all ready for this? Peep the baby skin. Peep it.
Ooh.
Peep
Okay, I'm gonna take my mouth off. But I still want to drink my coffee. Oh. Ah.
it. Now,
Oh, my face is slimy.
now what I like about this is we gotta let it absorb in all the nutrients. Well, I liked it. You like it?
It's kind of slimy. I mean, it feels really good.
It feels really good. It
Feels
like
really good.
Feels like cream on you, like nice cooling cream
Like
that
a-
burns your really.
Like a cool gel.
So it's like putting
Yeah.
icy hot on your face, but
I had a different experience. It's not really putting like Vicks on your face. It's just like a cool gel, you know,
with getting a layer burned off, getting that dirt, that Ebby burned off. But it was quite enjoyable. Something to do with your significant other.
Yep. It's kind of slimy.
It's drying though.
Is mine drying? I feel like there's a lot of product on mine.
Yeah, you got a lot of hair stuck in yours.
My side burns.
Just,
My side burns.
I already feel it drying.
Feel my side burns. Feel my side burns.
Oh yeah, it's so crusty. But thanks for tuning in, guys. Be sure to give this
Check out your local TJ Maxx or Ulta. You can get them for regular price at Ulta. I'm just
or
saying.
TJ Maxx for half the price. Made in Korea, not sponsored. But if you wanna hit us up, the Korean shop. What's up? Peace, guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Wait, I'm gonna put King in
And
there.
definitely share the video.
I'm gonna put King in
It
there.
really helps a lot.
Oh no, I'm not gonna put King in there.